Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Simon from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the eyes. On the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Let's leave a gap coming over on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Closing off the top of the eye now on the side, we're going to arch this line down. And then we're going to move across on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Coming underneath in the center of both eyes now, we're going to draw in another circle, curving this line around and then up. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. For the mouth, in the middle, drawing in a small curved line. Now coming up above for both eyebrows, we're just going to curve this line down on each side. Now let's move up for the hair. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out and then in. And then from that point, again, we're going to bring this line out and then back down. Now let's close off our head, creating a nice big circle. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in. We're going to continue this line through, underneath, curving this across. And then again, as we come underneath, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. Let's close off the bottom now. So we're just going to close this off with a nice big curved line from left to right. Now on the side of the head, on the top in the middle, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes down. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line back in towards the side of our head. Now on the top for the ears, on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we're going to move over on the left-hand side, lining that up at the same height and just replicate that. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom. And then stepping across towards the right, let's replicate that again. Now for the body, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And then we're just going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. And that is it. That's how you draw Simon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.